am testing a recipe I saw that looked interesting. So I wanted to try it. I am a cheesecake lover myself. Now, I got my container of cinnamon rolls, and they popped open in the car on the way. Oh, there, on the way. So I was not sure how I was going to open this, but there, look, that'll work. I had a moment of panic. So I was like, oops, that's not good. Okay, so now in the video I saw, they used ungreased, but I don't know if I like that idea. So I'm going to smush these out. These are just the cinnamon biscuits. And see. Will that work? Well, maybe I should just do it this way. So I'm trying to make a little, let's see. Can that work like this? I don't know. You guys are recipe testing with me. I think that'll work the best. Okay, let's try it that way. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbooks. Our Valentine's Day sale is happening right now. 35% off our cookbooks that give you easy recipes your family will love with cheap ingredients that you probably already have on hand, and you can get in and out of the kitchen quick. Most of the time I don't spend more than 20 minutes cooking dinner. Go check out our Valentine's sale right now at livingonadime.com. The link is in the description below. Oh, well, that actually works better, just to smush it with your hand. What I'm going to do is I'm going to test the muffin liners and test it without the muffin liners and see what happens. So now I'm going to bake these at 400 degrees. So my oven is broken. Do not buy a Whirlpool. Do not. No, you run from this oven. No. But I'm using my toaster oven that I got for 45 bucks at the thrift store. See how this works. Okay, that did not turn out like I had anticipated, but I think I'm just gonna go with it anyway. So I'm gonna let these cool, then we'll see if we can make something out of this. I don't know. Never in my wildest dreams would I ever have thought that this would be something I would find at my grocery store. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put a block of cheesecake on. I guess I should have known it would rise in the center, but it's all right. Okay, now I'm going to take one out of the thing and let's see what this looks like. See. That's not bad. Okay. Now, now this is just pie filling. My son says, giving me the look that I just ruined his cinnamon rolls. Do you feel that I've just ruined your cinnamon rolls? A little bit. All right, you can just use regular pie filling. That's the industrial one, but holy cow. That looks delicious.